mushrooms.
Tell the judge what are mushrooms? What are shrooms?
They're drugs for hallucinations.
Tonight, detectives are standing by the Tucker Cipriano confession, but the young man accused of terrorizing his family in a deadly rampage is trying to get his own words thrown out of court. We're getting startling testimony from the 19-year-old that's charged with killing his own father and critically injuring his own mother and younger brother.
Tucker Cipriano just stepped off the stand after telling the judge how he used K2 and those mushrooms he was mentioning to get high. And he was still high when he waived his Miranda rights and talked about the attacks last April in Farmington Hills.
Stephen Clark is in the newsroom, and Stephen, the defense wants his confession on video tossed out before the trial.
Yeah, we were listening to the testimony from him on the stand. As you say, he just stepped off. Tucker Cipriano testified today that he did smoke K2 and he ate those hallucinogenic mushrooms to get high, and he said that high would last for hours. But then he also testified how he held his dad while his friend and co-defendant beat him with a baseball bat. Now, again, this is happening in Oakland County Circuit Court just moments ago. Tucker also, after saying all that, testified he didn't understand his rights. He was distraught, he said, terrified, and he wasn't sure what was happening the morning after his family was attacked. His father, Bob Cipriano, as we now know, was killed. His mother, Rose, and his younger brother, Sal, critically beaten in the attacks. Here's some testimony from on the stand. Kind of hard to hear, so listen closely.
Besides the ingestion of spice or K2, on that particular morning or just before midnight, did you ingest any other type of hallucinogens?
I recall eating mushrooms.
Tell the judge what are mushrooms? What are shrooms?
They're drugs for hallucinations. And
what else? What else happened there when they arrested you?
I remember getting kicked in the face, and I remember other police saying that, taunting me, saying I should have killed myself.
When you made the statement, "I don't want to talk," what did you mean?
That I didn't want to talk. That I didn't want to talk about what happened.
Again, defense attorneys right there trying to get his confession thrown out on the basis that he was, as he explained there, high on drugs and didn't understand his rights. Tucker, Cipriano, and Mitchell Young all charged with first-degree premeditated murder. The other trials will take place next year.